So this technique I call the golpe run because it seems like you're running with the golpe. And all you're really doing is just alternating golpe. All right, so what that means is I can either do a golpe on the beat, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I can do it double time, 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10, so that there's one on the beat and one on the counter beat. Okay, so that would be 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Then I can do triples. So all three of those it'll be 3 movements on one beat. So 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm accenting 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so again, we had the single, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The double, 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10. And the triple, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this move, especially the triplet one, is an excellent way to close off a sequence of footwork, or close off an escobilla, or close off a remate. So you will use it all the time, and it's it's a great technique to have, and it's very powerful. One thing to remember is, again, proper alignment and posture. You want to keep your abs in, and when you're doing that golpe run, you want to relax as much as you can those quads, because if you grip your quads, you won't be able to go anywhere. So you want to really think that your butt is absorbing the shock, your abs are engaged, and that you have your magic corset holding you up so that you can keep everything loose down here while you're properly supported. All right, so what we can do, we'll go, let's try going 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10. So let's just do, we'll do 2 compasses on the right, and then 2 compasses on the left, doing the double. Then we'll do 2 compasses on the right doing the triple, 2 compasses on the left doing the triple. Okay, so we have 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, da, 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 da. Again on the right, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Now left, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Again on the left, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10. On the right with the triples, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10. On the right, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the left, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole.